It's good because with tarot show and counterbalance, at least the followers have to work also on something. They just don't go to class like, oh, it's okay, you just follow what the leader will do. Here you are learning tarot show, you have 50-50, counterbalance, you have to enter it, you have to work, okay, also your brain.
Yeah. Okay, first, counterbalance, opposite direction like that. Okay, you learn this first and after this. Okay, so you have a lot of exercise, and one exercise like that, just you take this connection, okay, and opposite direction, opposite direction, opposite direction. It's very important, and please, for the floor.
I don't change my direction, I keep straight, okay, and my body also contract, straight, straight, straight. I don't look at him, otherwise I can change my frame and push it toward me.
Okay, and so of course you glasses bottle and not plastic bottle. Okay, you need to stay straight. So when you understand this, opposite, opposite, after that it's possible for you continue the movement and walk like a crab. Okay, it's very important. You need to turn around here. Okay, and you need to bend for your leader with the stability and security for her. Okay, cut this. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please, it's very important you go to intention, and after that elevation. And now she go lift. So guys, it's very important your finger go to outside. Okay, and of course you have a connection with the knee. And you go like that first. For sure,
You see the V here? Opposite ways.
if you like afro, like me. And so, after that you go. She understand normally. And now I go to diagonal. Not back, because it's so hard for you. You go to diagonal, you push with these parts, but after that you need to create a circle. You create a circle with your finger.
And here,
Look, my
my
finger,
weight is here.
shoot, and now I go. Okay? It's possible you just go like that. Hey, I'm here. Okay, so, and after that, now you go, but sorry, she go, okay, because me. And after that,
it starts working.
yes, with my right, I go back. And
I
when
could
I need,
almost sleep here. I'm so comfortable.
when I need to go sleep, when I need to go stop, okay, I go up. Okay, and when I go up, it's very important. Okay, you go up like that automatically. Okay, she close you.
And you come back just like that.
It's okay? Yes? Okay. Cut. Okay. Now. Stop. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's go. So, guys, first, one breath, relax. And when you relax, your direction straight. Okay, with this hand. Is this hand? It shows the direction.
This is just a normal lunge. On the floor, in the ground.
And so now the difference, I go to down but diagonal. 1, 2, breath the same, and when I relax, go to diagonal, I go to opposite direction for the body.
My weight is here, and my transfer is in front. Yeah. Okay, this one has no weight.
And so now guys, I need to put the momentum, okay? And so when now I put the momentum, I push air diagonal again with my arm, okay? And so 1, 2, let's go. Okay, it's very important. You breath. When you relax, you need to go to create the circle. Relax and push. And after you go, please look. It's very easy. Why? Because I don't use my muscle. And when I need Not she go to sleep. Huh? But I mean, she go up. I put the intention, and I go up. And after, it's finished. Yes? Perfect. So, cut. And now, this. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3. You need to press the circle and the same moment. You need to go to weight transfer, but not too much. 1, 2. Yes. And now, the same moment. When you go like that, you end go down.
So it needs a half circle and then tension up. Okay?
And so, now guys, my weight transfer is with my leg, like my left leg, and now I change and I go with my right, I go,
And I lock my arm, the straight arm here.
and it's very important for you guys, with your chest, you move your chest, okay? You twist your chest. Before that, I have a connection.
Here.
And example,
It's harder, it's close.
yes, for you understand, okay? CounterBalance. It's okay? Yes, makes sense? Perfect. I think it's okay, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now